Did you know the importance of hydrostatic testing for fire hoses? What is hydrostatic testing? Hydrostatic testing involves filling fire hoses with water at high pressure to check for leaks, bursts, or other defects. This ensures hoses can withstand emergency condition. Why is hydrostatic testing important? 1. Safety assurance. Confirm the fire hoses reliability under extreme pressure. 2. Compliance with the UAE fire codes. Regular testing prevents fines and ensures readiness during fire inspections. 3. Preventive maintenance. Detects wear and tear early, reducing replacement costs. 4. Life and property protection. In emergencies, fully operational hoses are crucial to controlling fire outbreaks. Testing standards as per UAE Fire and Life Safety Code. Fire hoses should undergo hydrostatic testing every 5 years or sooner if damage is suspected. Testing involves pressure checks at 1.5 times the hose's service pressure. Only civilians approved contractors can perform these tests.